CoinMarketCap. It's like a marketplace where you come out to pick out and analyze on potential tokens or coins to buy. Now this is the CoinMarketCap. For you to say the market is bouncing back. The first here is BTC, being the king of all coins. The second one, Ethereum. The third one is USDT. The fourth in CoinMarketCap list is XRP. The fifth is BNB. The sixth is Solana. The seventh is USDC. For some of you that don't know, USDC is also a stable coin like USDT. Are you right? Are you getting it? Good. Let's proceed. The seventh on the eighth on the list, CoinMarketCap list, is Doge, followed by Tron, TRS, ADA, and the rest. You scroll. These are super potential tokens, but be as it may, be, you need to carry out a good technical analysis and fundamental analysis on each of these tokens before putting any fund on it, to avoid story that touches the heart. This cryptocurrency space is highly volatile. Are you getting it? Look at even Flocky here. Can you see? Okay, 6% is, if you know technical analysis, you can see that the market is picking up. Okay, let's see the price of Bitcoin now presently. All right, currently look, this is the price of BTC in the market as of today, being 11th July 2025. This is the current price. Okay, this is the current price of BNB. This is the current price of XRP. It's at $2. BNB is at $689. Okay, this is the current, though Ethereum hit $3,000 few hours ago before it now retraced to $2,982. The same thing goes to BTC. BTC hit $118,000 before it now went back to $118,000. Okay, so you can see that the market is picking up. If you want to hold, watch this Doge. Okay, before in few months from now, it's gonna hit up to $2 or $1 to $2. Doge will hit $1 to $2. So you monitor it. It's at 10% presently. If you monitor it, once it goes there, you can bag some tokens, some pieces of it, and hold in your wallet, so that once you hit that $1 or and above, you end up making a massive or a huge profit from the market. Are you getting it? Good. So that is even this one, this seal went even down to $1 some months ago, to $2, $1. Now it's at $3. So you can see the market is ADA. You see ADA is plus 18%. If you know how to trade, you can trade with caution. Okay, good. So some of you that have been using your CoinMarketCap, but you have not been accumulating this diamond, is very bad. Click on this diamond here. Allow it to load. You have not been accumulating it. It's not good. Okay, say collect your diamond every day. Okay, every day you come here with day one, you collect plus 10. Tomorrow you collect again. On the third day, on the fourth day, on the fifth day, on the sixth, just like that. Every day keep coming here to collect. On the seventh day, then after the 7th day, to go back to the first day, just and continue like that. Okay, so let me collect today. I've not collected anything. This is my own diamond I'll be able to accumulate. Okay, then let's go. Each day you come here. Day 1 you come and claim, day 2 you come and claim, day 3 come and claim, day 4, day 5, day 6, just like keep claiming. Okay, there's an airdrop that might come, understand, to CoinMarketCap. It will require you to use your NFT, to use your diamond to to claim it. They might tell you 500 diamonds, 1,000 diamonds, and if you don't have it, you might miss that opportunity. So this is how to come daily. Every day you come and claim all these diamonds. Keep claiming it. Okay, that's it. I just decided to bring this update to you guys because I know many of you don't know anything about claiming this diamond on CoinMarketCap. Once you open your CoinMarketCap, it's here. Once you open your CoinMarketCap the way my own is now, okay, you look up here, just look up here, you see the diamond, you tap on it, just tap on it. Okay, can you see the quantity? This is the quantity I've been able to accumulate. Good. So you claim on the one. Let me claim on the one. Can you see what is written here? Yeah, you have collected 10 daily diamonds and 10 bonus diamonds for using the app. Do you see this English? Good. So that's the update I carry come so that you can join me. Let's accumulate it because there's another drop that will come now. They will say, okay, use this your diamond to claim it. A situation whereby you don't have the diamond, you have not been accumulating this diamond from a CoinMarketCap, you will not participate in that airdrop. So that is the update I have for you guys. Thank you so much. All right.